my stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then why the passion to my stupid heart? Too late, already on my way. If you don't reflect, I'll get my new cup and my stupid heart.
2, 3 start.
සුබෝදෑසන අද අපි ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ මේගමුව මාළු වෙළඳ මධ්‍යස්ථානයට. අපේ දරුවන්ගේ අධ්‍යාපනය වෙනුවෙන් Trinity ජාත්‍යන්තර පෙළ පාසලේ ගුරුවරුන් සහ විදුහල්පතිනිය ඇතුළු සියලුම දෙනා කටයුතු කරලා තියෙනවා මාළු පිළිබඳව ඔවුන්ට දැනුවත් කිරීම.
That part, this part. Then they are putting here. Then the sun came. Then what happened? Huh? Then what happened? Right. So we have called this one what? Big fish? Huh? Big fish? Dry fish. What are these?
Yeah. Now tell me the parts, okay? What is this one? Mouth. This one? Eye. These are?
Can you remember this one? What is this part? Can you remember? Huh? This is gill. What is this? Who is this? Stingray. Look at here, stingray. Cuttlefish. Prawns.
What's that? Cuttlefish. Which color is the cuttlefish? Red and white. Huh?
Scale. Sinhala name. What is the scale? Sinhala name. Kora potu. Say. Now can you remember the parts of the fish?
Yeah.